everyone, and welcome to my YouTube today. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you all how to do a split cube transition. I will show you what it looks like right now, and then I will show you how to do it. Alright, now how you want to start doing this is first you want to click New, Multi-Layer, and then you want to click the one box and pull up your photo. Now you're going to click to the side to make sure that this goes away. And you're going to Layout. You're going to search up Split. It's going to be this one right here. You're going to click on it. And you're going to leave it like it is right here. And now you're going to click the one box. And you're going to click Edit Keyframes. And now you're going to click this to make the layout 18. And now you're going to drag your circle to the very end of the clip. And you're going to make the layout 0. And now it should look like this. And now you're going to click the rotation thing over in this area. Oops. And you're going to click this one. You're going to click this rotation, the one with the arrows going that way. It's this one. And you're going to rotate it to about how it says about 8. Till about 7. You can do less or more if you want. It's all up to you. I'm going to do 6. Then at the very end of the clip, you're going to make it about whatever you want. I'm just doing 3. I'm going to do 2. You can do whatever you want. And now it'll look like this. Now you're going to add a path for both of these. I'm going to put the graph that I'm going to use for both of them up right now. Just screenshot it, and here's how to import it. So your circle is going to be right in the middle, and then this path icon will appear on both sides. See, there's one right here, and there's one right here. So you're going to click the layout one first. I'm going to click Custom, and click the QR code thing, and click Import, and select it in your camera roll. Once your graph is imported, it should look like this. Okay. And now at the very end of your clip, where the rotation is, you're going to click that one, and import that graph again. It'll be the same graph, but I'm just going to put it back up. Once your graph's imported, you're going to click the down arrow again, and watch it to see if you like it. Alright, now that you've made sure you like it, you're going to click the back arrow. And you're going to make the background color green. So you can add a background on it. I will show you how to do that here too as well. And now you're going to click Create. And click Done. And now you're going to click New, Multi-Layer, one box, and the one with the green. Click to the side, and you're going to import a shake. A shake will just make it look a bit cleaner and a little nicer. To import the shake, you're going to click the QR code and click Import and click Yes, and import the screenshot of the QR code that's about to come up. You'll find it in your camera roll. Now, once you've clicked Import for the shake, you're going to click Fit, and you're going to click OK, and it should look like this. Now that you made sure you like it, you're going to click Create, and Done. And it should look like this now. Now to add the overlay or background, this is completely optional. You can fast forward through this part, but you're going to click New and Mix. And you're going to come into this screen, but you're going to make sure it's an amazing multi-panel mixer. And you're going to click the one box. And in here, you're going to click the plus and select the overlay you want. I'm going to do that right now. You're going to select overlay. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. I'm sizing it. You're going to click Import. And then in the to box, you're going to click the green one that you just updated. And now you're going to click this side arrow, and you're going to click green background, and put it at about right here. And now it should look like this. Now we're going to click Mix Clips. And done. And this is another little extra touch, but I find that it makes the transition look a lot better. This is a paid effect, so if this is completely optional. You can do it if you want. So this is going to be adding motion blur, which will make the clip smoother and work a lot better. So we're going to click New, Transform, and you're going to select Video Star Motion Blur, and you're going to tap on it, and you're going to adjust the blur to however you like. I'm going to do it at about 50, but you can do it at whatever you like, and then you're going to see if it's enough blur that you want really slowed down. I know that's kind of annoying. Now you're going to click Create, and you're going to wait for it to save. This does take a little longer than the other things, but it is worth it because it makes your transition look a lot smoother. And once it's done saving, you're going to click Done. And it's going to look like this now. And that is all. I hope this helped, and have a great day. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you guys next time.